Yesterday, gold has created a bearish candle. It is a small bearish candle with a large wick on the upper side, and it is on the lower side, and it is currently right at this resistance level. It is a supply zone where the price has come after the previous week. The end of the week has closed the candle right here at the supply zone. Now, the price yesterday could not manage to continue to rise in value, even though there was a signal that the price will continue to rise at least around this one area here, around 2672, and around this one supply zone, a small one on the 1 hour time frame, which is visible, but the price from there bouncing back down, and we can see where the price has stopped on the lower side of this supply zone. Now, what we can expect today, what the price will do. After the price formed this bullish engulfing candle, and it is also a bullish breakout to the upper side, and we can see reach that supply zone. There is a potential also the price could return back down, as it was mentioned in the yesterday analysis, where the first stop would be around this one, 2641. We can see that yesterday has reached, and second one would be around this one, 2634. This is also a support which will hold the price. This is a trend line, uptrend trend line, which is acting now as a support, which could also hold the price right here at this spot. Now, will the price manage to return back down? We can see first level the price needs to make a break is to around 2642 price level. If it breaks below on the lower time frame, like 1 hour time frame and a 4 hour time frame, it will go to this one, 2634, and around this one area, 2630, which will act as a support. And from there is also potential a bounce up to the upside, but we'll see how the price behaves. Currently, what I'm expecting more to see the price going down around the area, this one here, and then from there we'll see what happens. Will the price make a bearish breakout even further down, reaching the first support level, which will be 2618.75, or will the price continue to rise in value, making a bullish breakout above like yesterday, and continue to rise even further to this one around 2672, which was mentioned also yesterday on the small time frame. These small levels are also visible and also are traded, analyzed in the 4 hour time frame and a 1 hour time frame with the traders inside trading community. This is all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.